Today's Aston Martin is a 1960 Aston Martin DB4 Series 2 Coupe. It is well known to us. We restored the car. It is lovely sage green with a tanned interior, 4.2 liter, higher compression, sport camshafts. It does everything right. Let's take it for a ride. Well, we're all warmed up. And as I said before, this DB4 is one of my favorites. It's got exceptional power, exceptional handling. We did it for a client in Switzerland many years ago, enjoyed it on the Colorado Grand. It is a 4.2 liter with sport cams, a little higher compression. It is the best of every world because it goes like hell, but it is docile around town. We'll get on in a little while, although traffic is a little prohibitive at the moment. Great 4-speed DB box, which I think the gear ratios are perfect. I prefer to the 5-speed. Wonderful bespoke air conditioning. It pulls like a freight train for a DB4. It's got everything right. So we're going to pull over in a couple seconds for our flybys so you can hear it from the outside. Jason and I are getting along today, so there's no reason for me to push him out of the car. Flybys are over. Hope you enjoyed the sound from the outside. We're now on our way back to the homestead, Autosport Designs, on one of our favorite roads. A little bit of the twisties.
I think it's important to mention that this DB4 comes to its new owner fully serviced. All fluids were replaced. The gearbox was rebuilt. The air conditioning was serviced. So this is a turnkey DB4 Series 2 coupe that's ready to enjoy.
Oh, look at this. And you know what else? The brakes are a plus because
Whoa.
apparently there's some sort of Long Island disaster. Take a left down here through suburbia because of a detour. Seems as though it's a fallen tree.
I must say the air conditioning is quite nice and it works exceptionally well.
And there's another Long Island driver who should give their license back. It really has zero excuses. Just a lovely DB4. It is sage green, which is a lovely color. Not California sage green, which is lighter, but sage green, metallic. And it's got tan Connolly leather with green piping, green carpets, and we had it out at a concours recently, and what everyone said was just wow with regard to the combination. I couldn't agree more, but I am the one who picked it out. So, hope everyone else likes it. But as you can see, it is a pleasure to drive around town as it is at speed.
And the sale of this DB4 it will be accompanied by all of its original books, tools, jack, as well as a nice amount of service records.
So it appears that because of the detour, I am lost, but
No, temporarily.
Temporarily.
Misplaced.
Oh,
Look, a lovely cul-de-sac. One of Long Island's many hidden treasures.
A cul-de-sac dead end, no less. So,
shall we resort to modern technology to get us out of this one?
I think, Jason, if you don't mind looking at your cell phone map, that would be lovely as well, because I have no idea where we are, and every sign says dead end. And we did have to stop for a second so that Jason could do some reconnaissance and figure out where we are. And now that we've figured out where we are, we know where we're going. Okay, well, we are back on track, so to speak. Blazing our own trail through Huntington.
Our favorite thing to do.
Yeah, he's snickering like the Cheshire Cat. Because if I heard when we were in Montana on the rally that we were blazing our own trail one more time, Jason would still be in Montana. So
let's just say I'm thankful this DB4 doesn't have an ejection seat.
So we will see you in a while. We hope you enjoyed the road test. We'll be back at the homestead shortly. And next up is the walk around. I hope you enjoy it.